You might be watching this video because you're having issues with your liftgate/rear door on your 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander. Year 2014 in particular is known to have this problem, and it's almost always the liftgate. Also, if your liftgate is acting up, I bet it's cold outside. I will address diagnosing the problem and suggest different ways to address it. Unfortunately, if the problem is the electronic struts, they will need to be replaced or just leave as is. In the next video I will upload very soon, I will show you how to replace the electronic struts on a 2014 Toyota Highlander. Let's continue. We must first confirm whether the struts are actually the problem. There are two key things to check. If after pressing and holding the liftgate button in the vehicle right here, or pressing and holding the liftgate button on the key fob, you hear two beeps and nothing happens, check to see if this back glass is open. If it is open, the liftgate will not open, so ensure this is closed. The second thing to check is the liftgate switch to the left of the glove box right here. It is possible to accidentally press this button, and when it is out like this, the liftgate is disabled. Pressing this button down will enable the liftgate open-close feature. So if your liftgate back glass is closed, the liftgate switch is enabled, and the liftgate not opening and closing properly, it is time to replace the liftgate struts. The main symptoms of bad liftgate struts are the liftgate not opening at all, the liftgate not fully opening, and the liftgate not closing. In my case, the liftgate was not fully opening. My liftgate kept stopping halfway during the opening stage. Note that you might discover something is wrong with your electronic liftgate strut during the winter time because hydraulic struts normally act up in low temperatures. This happens to both manual struts and electric struts. Genuine OEM struts are very expensive, so I will give you 4 different options and costs to deal with this problem. Option 1 is to not replace the electronic struts and use the back glass here, which can be opened, and this will cost nothing. This will not be convenient in all situations though. It will depend on what you are putting back here. Also bear in mind that this feature is not available on all Toyota Highlander models. A set of bad electric struts may work when it gets warm again. Option 2 is to order these OEM struts from a Toyota dealer, which will cost almost $600 plus taxes if you install them yourself. If you have more money to spend, you could pay the dealer or another workshop to install them. That might cost another $100 to $200 though. If you decide to go with the OEM option, see link in the description below for OEM liftgate struts and another link on how to install them. Option 3 is aftermarket electric struts, which cost $298 plus taxes. That's half the price of the OEM struts. See link in the description below for a good aftermarket set, and the seller gives 24 months warranty with unlimited miles. The next video I will upload will be showing how to install these aftermarket electric struts. The fourth and final option is to convert these electric struts to manual struts. This is possible because some Toyota Highlander models comes with manual struts. The problem with this option, it seems that the liftgates on manual models are lighter than the liftgates on the electronic models, because the manual struts do not open the liftgates on electronic model with enough push force. The push force even gets weaker when it's cold, as you can see now. Right now it's 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and if you are not careful, this liftgate may fall on your head. These manual struts are universal, so a very good aftermarket brand with the same length might work. Or maybe some manual struts from another vehicle. Those struts will need to be a little over 25 inches in length. That's all for now, guys. Those were 4 options to address bad liftgate struts on a Toyota Highlander. Check out my older video on how to convert electric liftgate struts to manual struts. And also check out my newer video on how to convert manual liftgate struts back to electric liftgate struts. I went back to electric liftgate struts because I really miss them. The convenience of opening the liftgate by pressing a button worth the cost to replace them. Thanks for watching. But before you go, do something for me. Please like this video and let me know in the comment below which option may work best for you. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, now it's a good time to do so. See you on the next video, guys.